Most of us want to solve a lot of issues with fitness. Issues like fat loss, weight loss, toned muscles, six packs, flexibility, health, make new records and more. We hit the gym with the mindset that we can achieve one of these goals. We work hard with our strength and dedication because we just joined the Fit Farm. We chew every rep like boneless meat, reassuring ourselves of getting there. But when we check the scoreboard for results after 1 week, it dawned on us that we've been wasting our time and energy. All this hard work striking us with disappointments. Yeah, you got it right. We quit. We quit because our time and energy is precious to us and we can't keep wasting it on things that don't pay. Even Charles Darwin said, "A man who dares to waste an hour of time has not discovered the value of life." Let me tell you the blunt truth. We're wrong. We're wrong because our body is not paper that we can squeeze into any shape. Neither is it a mold that we can mold into any structure at any time. It's made up of cells with development stages and lifespan. Babies were not born walking. They go through the stages of falling and getting back to their feet before they walk properly, and it eventually becomes a lifestyle. You cannot dream yourself into a character. You must hammer and forge yourself one. And be patient with yourself. Self-growth is tender. It's holy ground. There's no greater investment. Our best goal in fitness should be lifestyle. Short-term goals most time make us burn out and relapse us to our comfort zone. Get the right mindset. Make fitness a lifestyle. LOfitnez says so.